Don't miss out on an incredible opportunity to own this updated 3-bed and 1 full bath ranch-style home. There is maintenance-free vinyl plank flooring along with carpeting in the 3 beds. You have a nice-sized living room which is located off of the attic. There are stainless steel appliances, updated cabinets and granite countertops. The full bath, which is also updated, has a tub/shower, perfect if you have children to bathe. There is a decent-sized laundry room with the possibility of being able to install a half bath if need be. Your outside features include an oversized lot, a deck located on the side of the house and a fenced-in yard. This could be great for entertaining. The seller is also including a 1-year home warranty. With an acceptable offer, the seller will agree to contribute up to $5,000 towards the buyer's closing costs and/or to buy down the buyer's interest rate. This home qualifies for USDA financing. Please confirm with the buyer's lender if there are other programs to assist the buyer.